Last time we talked about hardware, and we talked about more about computer. We said the computer is an electronic device that can can allow input, processing, and output. So computers, we said, those things, gadgets, normally which are surrounding us, like the personal computer, like laptop, then desktop computer that normal and common in schools, offices, and other public places. Then we saw our handy phones, smartphones, that is our computer. Then smartwatches, computer, laptop, tablets, and others. So those are computers. So we say that that what we see is our computer, but what make that computer is hardware. Hardware, those are tangible things that we normally feel and see with our eye. Tangible, those tangible items, tangible parts of the computer called hardwares. And we defined hardware, we grouped them, and we saw the difference, and even the different types of hardwares. So together with software, hardware and the software form what we call computer. Hardware tangible, software intangible parts of the computer. That is what I can say in simple terms. But when we are defining the term software, as for today we are going to talk about more about software. It is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. A set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. So which means we cannot see it, we cannot touch it, we cannot feel, but it is there to help us as a user, to link a user and a computer. So me, a user, would just type using hardware without knowing what is going inside and what is taking place, what is going on. I can get what I want after typing what I want from what I'm asking. So as we said, the computer understands this language of 0 and 1, that is code, that is computer language. In order a user to communicate to a computer, we need to have that intermediate. So the software, it is that intermediate which you need link me and a computer to give me what I want, and it tells what a computer what I want, and the computer interprets it into its combination of codes to give me what I want. So this is the definition for computer, of computer software as a set of instruction what tell computer to do. Then what are the types of software? Software is categorized into two, that is system software and application software. So the types of software, we have application and system software. So application software and the programs or icons we see on our phone, the apps normally we see our phones. What is the definition of application software? Application software simply means the software that can help you to solve a specific function. So if you are seeing WhatsApp, it only deals with WhatsApp. It performing the function for on WhatsApp. If you want Word in laptop, you are dealing with Word. It can only do the function of Word, solve problem for only words. So this application software, you download just the software because you need to perform a specific function. You specify what you want. If you want WhatsApp, you can download a software for WhatsApp. That is application. What we call a system software. A system software is grouped into, and we form what we call operating system. So a hardware is that tangible things. It is very difficult for us to communicate to hardware without software. So in order to communicate properly with this computer, we need what we call a junction. So that's why I drawn this one, and it is in the middle. It is linking me, it is linking, it is connecting to hardware. This software, system software, it is telling the hardware what I want, and the hardware processes and give me through this application. I send a request from my application, which is means I may need WhatsApp, and I send it to system software. So system software tells the hardware what I want, and they process it and they give me the feedback through the interface. So that's why I do this. What is the operating system? Operating system, I said it is a system software that manages the computer hardware, software resources, and provide a common source for the computer program. The operating systems we have normally, the most one, we have what we call Windows, Mac, Linux, and when you are dealing with phone, mobile, smartphone, we have iOS, then Android, then Symbionis, and others. So those are operating system. Operating system that the one that give link a user to computer or hardware, computer hardware. So in simple terms, as operating system are the one that are linking me to computer. They are there to perform a very big role in linking. They perform very many functions. How they're the one responsible for showing those apps on that is interface or on our screen or our desktop. So there are very many softwares that we normally use in operating system. So for example, we have device drivers that link hardware, and tell the hardware what to do. The functionality of device drivers, they just enable the operating system to recognize and utilize the hardware. So we have other software which is called utility software. Utility software we have for backing up, for security, and it's like one laptop can be used by different users, and the permission is given to a specific user. How this system operating system is the one responsible for that, but apply using a system, a software called utility, they give safety for that account so that multiple user can use the same device with different accounts without any maybe any security. So they are responsible for backing up our things we work on, maybe on our computer or on mobile or computers, normal like laptop or mobiles. Then cleaning, that is also another job for utility software. These firmware that are responsible for the loading the operating system so that we can get functionality of the operating system. Then we have application software. We discussed that about that one, application software, and it is mainly we have what you call productive and the graphics design. That is the categories of application software. If you want application software, it is categorized into deep, and we have productivity software that normally we get it for the just to perform a specific job like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and extra. So we have graphics, that is for graphics and multimedia. Then we have what we call audio and video editing. Then we have game, we have educational. So it's like application software on mobile. These are the like apps we normally see, but we download different apps according to our choice or according to the need. So these are called application because they are specifying the job, what you need. They specify what you need. So you download the WhatsApp because you need WhatsApp. You download the Chrome because you need Chrome to use it for certain things. You are specifying. Then we can other kind where other area where you can find this software like Microsoft Word, Office, Google Docs. These are application software where they come for the specific job to ease our daily jobs. Then we have graphical, this one mainly for photoshops and the illustrators. Then we have for the educational and software for learning. Thank you. Thanks for listening.